You can just go to Pro mode using Control Shift Q in this extension, then type in whatever speed you want. Let's say I want 4 of speed, and then hit done. And so I have my physical education board examinations day after tomorrow, and as usual, for this subject, no one really studies at all the whole year, and I didn't prepare a notebook for the subject. So I only have 48 hours to cover the whole syllabus, but YouTube only has up to 2x speed. But then I realized that I have the powers of coding and I can control this particular YouTube thing using whatever that's called. So alright, so finally I have created the extension. Let me just show you real quick that any speed you want, you can just go to Pro mode using Control Shift Q in this extension, then type in whatever speed you want. Let's say I want 4 of speed, and then hit done, and there we go. This is 4x. Now it's my time to finish my physical education syllabus in just, let's say, physical education one shot. Okay, so this has, so if I change it to 12 and hit done. Anyways, this was just a fun video. I have linked all the source code and you can use this as a template and create your own Chrome extensions.